Hi, I'm JJ Lindquist with Dale Howard Auto, and this is our Toyota Highlander 2008. Really nice, sharp looking vehicle inside and out. Looks like it has the keyless entry, so you just got to have the key in your person to gain access and lock the doors. It does have a power liftgate too, and a backup camera. Really good shape vehicle. That's why we kept it. It does have power seat on the driver's side with many different settings. And many other features. As you can see, I mean, inside and out, this is a beautiful vehicle. If you're interested in this vehicle, my name is JJ Lindquist. I'm at Dale Howard Auto at 641-316-1515.